Hello my YouTube friends! Live streaming is an awesome way to build a connection with your YouTube audience. But there are some traps that are easy to fall into with live streaming, and today I'm going to help you navigate those pitfalls. So let's get to it! My analytics say that 80% of the people that watch my content are not subscribed. What am I doing wrong? Let me know in the comments. But if you are interested in tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber and live streamer, why not subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content? There is so much content on YouTube today, both live and pre-recorded. Both types have their special nuances to bring success. The number one trap that live streamers fall into is live streaming just because you don't feel like filming pre-recorded content. I mean, let's face it. Planning, filming, and editing pre-recorded content is a process that can take a lot of time. Live streaming is really easy. Just click the go live button. And that's the trap. Don't take the easy way out. Live streaming is not a replacement for pre-recorded content. Even gamers need to take a piece of their live streams and make pre-recorded content in order to grow their channel. Any kind of content. You can create all kinds of interesting series. Take for example the current game Valheim. Streamers are hitting it hard, but smart streamers are taking clips from these streams and creating tutorials and walkthroughs for the game. And this kind of content makes people interested in the live stream and drives viewers. For non-game streamers, it's even more important to use live streaming content as an accent to pre-recorded content, not a replacement. In this case, there is no easy way out. Live streaming content really can't grow your channel. It's used best as a way to build a more personal connection with your audience. Now you might be asking why. The reason is that live streaming content, with very few exceptions, just does not end up getting suggested by YouTube the way pre-recorded content does. There are a few reasons for this, but the main one is likely the length of the content. Usually, a live stream is more than an hour long. Most people don't have time to sit on a live stream for hours, and they certainly aren't going to watch a pre-recorded one for hours, at least not usually. Worst yet, once a live stream is finished, it rarely gets a lot of views because YouTube doesn't really suggest completed live streams. Are there a few exceptions? Yes, but very few. The exceptions are extremely popular topics that were streamed using short form techniques, so they look almost like a pre-recorded video. Live streaming is rarely a good YouTube growth tactic, even for game streamers, so don't make the mistake of just thinking you can live stream and grow your channel. Pre-recorded content accented by live streams is definitely the way to go. If you want to take your live streams to the next level, you should check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.